We humans have been exploring for as long as we have existed, whether that be the first humans spreading out across the globe to find new places to settle, or like in recent years, sending out probes like Voyager 1 and 2 to explore the galaxy. We can understand and come to the conclusion that exploration is ingrained within the human experience. Our primal need to explore and find new and more efficient resources is extremely prominent and one of the most defining reasons that we are where we are now as a species. Today we will be looking at the fundamental reasons why exploring the universe is in our nature, and the possible new discoveries that we may come across in our inevitable exploration of the universe. The 20th century has to have been one of, if not the most influential centuries in human history. From engineering the first cars and planes, to spanning out into space to visit the moon, and the creation of humanity's greatest technological asset being the internet. We can expect an increase through the current century as we will further our capabilities in artificial intelligence and the potential colonization of Mars, for example. This now leads us to the topic of today's video, of course being our inevitable exploration of the universe, or at least as much of the universe as we can explore. As technologies such as robotics become more advanced, we can expect that we will be sending better and more optimized probes for the specific tasks that they have been programmed to do. We can expect that if possible, we will be sending out von Neumann self-replicating probes into the universe, which would mine asteroids, moons, and gas giants as well as many more interstellar objects. This would be all in the name of self-replicating and discovering more of the universe, mapping out different star systems and sending back data to analyze on whether these systems are worth further human exploration or not. With the current technology that we have, it would take us a few million years to successfully colonize the galaxy by some scientists' calculations. As we have seen throughout the pattern of history, it is likely that our technological capabilities will not stay the same, but will in fact increase, which means that the galaxy could be colonized even sooner. It is very deeply ingrained in our nature to want to explore. When we as humans see a new area with a whole new bunch of unknowns, we want to learn as much as possible about these said unknowns for the betterment and survival of the human race, whether that be through finding new materials or a better, more suited environment for humans to live. Space itself is in our future. We know that no matter what, we as a species will need to travel out into the wonders of space. It makes the most sense for humans to spread out and be a multi-planet civilization, because by humanity being on different worlds, we are less likely to see humanity go extinct through a cosmic event. For example, solar flares wiping out all life on the planet. Or it could be even longer, the reason for this being that eventually the sun will become hotter and slowly scorch our planet Earth to death. Which I can tell you now, we do not want to be around for when that happens. Thinking on the cosmic level of time, we will always have to move from place to place as stars get closer to going supernova or becoming a white, then eventually black dwarf. So would it make more sense for us to live in space on generational style ships? This is possible, and it is likely that in the future, if we do last that long, we will eventually be living solely in space, slowly spinning through the endless void, trying to keep on keeping on, as we always do. While the thought of jumping in a spaceship and exploring the universe is exciting, we do have to think about how much time it would take us to get from place to place. For example, the closest galaxy to us is the Andromeda Galaxy and is 2.5 million light years away. That is 2.5 million years at what many scientists believe to be the speed limit of the universe. So now we must think of the billions of galaxies that are outside of our local cluster, and then we realize the sheer scale of the universe, and really, truly how much time it would take to reach even a place which is close to us on a cosmic level. These are all aspects of our day-to-day reality which are out of our control. So all we can do is sit back and see where the future exploration of the universe takes us. So in summary, that we can say about exploring the universe is that it's going to be a very hard feat for humanity to conquer, and it is very unlikely that in the time that the human race will exist, that we explore the entirety of the universe. But we'll definitely be able to explore the galaxy, and probably the Andromeda Galaxy as well, before they are set to collide. But it's very interesting to think about the exploration of our universe, discovering more life within the universe if it is out there, and discovering new worlds that humanity may live on, and terraform, and make into our own. Perhaps we will find a planet out there where it's all made of pizza, and it's going to be great because I love pizza just as long as it doesn't have cheese on it. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of my new uploads. Keep on deep thinking and have a wonderful day. We are going to be releasing some brand new content on this channel very soon, which is going to be very exciting. So some of the people who are subscribed to the channel, some of the newer people subscribing, I'm going to be making some very new announcements very soon, so I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited for that to be made. So yeah, make sure you stick about, and peace out.